Hello, I'm interviewing Liz Edwards, founder of Muddy Faces, and asking her about the dragon sneeze. What is a dragon sneeze?
A dragon sneeze is a ferrous rod fire starter designed to have a high success rate rather than be a compact bushcraft tool.
How is the dragon sneeze created?
I was contacted by a lady who had osteoporosis who struggled to use the standard fire starters. She said that it was the pincer crab grip that she really struggled with, like that.
What ideas did you have?
Well, we realised the pincer grip was really tricky for lots of people. After a few prototypes, we came up with a design that was using a handle turned at one of the last wood turners in the UK and the striker made with hardened steel.
How does it work?
Well, the chunky handles allow lots of strength when you're doing it, allowing the striker to be pressed hard down against the ferrous rod, allowing a strike to be successful each time. We've connected the dragon sneeze with a long bright cord which allows lots of movement when we're striking.
Who can use the dragon sneeze?
Almost anybody can create a spark with a dragon sneeze. We thought it would be especially useful for practitioners who had individuals or groups who were struggling with the standard shape. We've been really pleased with the feedback from different types of groups, such as groups with really young children who can get a spark with a dragon sneeze, and autistic groups where they've just found it a really inclusive tool because everybody in the group can get a spark out of it.
How did you come up with the name dragon sneeze?
We ran a competition through our social media and newsletters, and we asked everybody if they had any suggestions of what we could call our new fire steel. We had lots of different suggestions, but a number of people came up with dragon sneeze and we loved it. So we developed the idea and came up with a design, and we sent all the people who suggested that dragon sneeze as a name, a dragon sneeze with dragons on the handle.
Is there more info?
There's lots of fire lighting ideas and how to use fire steels on our outdoor hub on our website www.muddyfaces.co.uk.
I hope you've enjoyed finding out more about the dragon sneeze.